Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the next two static characteristics of measuring instruments, that is the precision and the sensitivity. So we have already discussed about the what is the static error and accuracy. Okay, so next one is the precision. This is the important characteristic of the measuring instrument. Okay, so what is the precision? Precision is nothing but the measure of repeatability and reproducibility. It is a measure of repeatability and reproducibility. And reproducibility. So let us discuss what is the repeatability and what is the reproducibility. Okay, so first, repeatability. What is the repeatability? Repeatability is nothing but it is the degree of closeness among measured values. Okay, when same input value is measured a number of times by same instrument with observer under same conditions. So please try to understand. It is nothing but the degree of closeness among the measured values when same input value is measured number of times, right? So here important thing is we are measuring the same input number of times by the same instrument, by using the same instrument and with the same observer but different and the same condition. Okay, so here we need to understand it is the degree of closeness among measured values. Okay, means how the measured values are coming nearly equal, okay, or nearly same. Okay, but provided that when the same input, when same input is measured a number of times, same input is measured number of times, right, by the same instrument, by same instrument and same observer, or with the same observer and same conditions, under same conditions, right? So here we are not changing the conditions, we are not changing the observer, right? So here we are in the same condition, we are having the same observer, we are having the same instrument. Okay, and it is the degree of closeness, okay, among the measured values when same input is measured number of times by same instrument with same observer under same conditions. Okay, means suppose we are having an instrument A, for example let us consider as a voltmeter. So we are using that voltmeter to measure the unknown values, the same value multiple times I am giving. Okay, and I am only the observer, right, and I am giving it on the same instrument I am giving the multiple times the same unknown value or the same measurement value. Okay, and conditions are also same. That is nothing but the repeatability. And second thing is the reproducibility. Reproducibility, right? So here reproducibility means what? Okay, it is also the degree of closeness when the same input value is measured a number of times by one instrument with many number of observers and under different conditions, right? So here we are using the number of observers, right, many number of observers and different conditions. Okay, so here reproducibility, it is also a degree of closeness among measured values when same input is measured number of times by many observers under different conditions, right? Different conditions. So here try to understand the difference between the repeatability and reproducibility. Okay, so here we are having the different conditions and many observers and different conditions. That is the important. Okay, and whereas in repeatability we are having the same instrument. Here also we are having the same instrument. Next, in the repeatability we are having the same observer, but in reproducibility we are having the different observers. And in repeatability we are having the same condition, whereas in reproducibility we are having the different conditions, right? Is this clear? So this is the repeatability and reproducibility. Okay, repeatability and reproducibility, and the measure of repeatability reproducibility is nothing but the precision of the instrument. Okay, next, the next characteristic is, this is the fourth one, sensitivity of measuring instruments. Okay, it is also known as the figure of merit or scale factor. Figure of merit or scale factor. Sensitivity or figure of merit or the scale factor. Let us discuss what is the sensitivity of a measuring instrument. Okay, so sensitivity is nothing but it is the ratio of change in output to the change in input. Sensitivity, it is denoted with letter S, is equal to change in output divided by change in input, right? Change in output divided by change in input. That is nothing but the sensitivity. Okay, sensitivity. Unit of sensitivity is ohm per volt. Ohm per volt. Okay, so if you check the measuring instrument, or let us consider the analog instrument. In the case of analog instrument, the change in output is nothing but reflection of the pointer, right? This is the suppose scale we are having. Okay, and here suppose initially the pointer is at this position. Okay, so change in input, change in output is nothing but the change in the position of the pointer. So this indicates the change in the output, that is the theta. The change in input is nothing but the change in the electrical quantity. It may be the voltage, it may be the current. Okay, so next, so sensitivity is nothing but the ratio of change in output divided by change in input. Okay, so this is about the precision and the sensitivity. In the next video we are going to discuss the numericals related with sensitivity. Thank you.